Hello students, today we will be seeing some BODMAS questions on integers. So the first one we have here we can see there is a curly bracket and there is a round bracket. So innermost bracket we will solve. In this we have addition, subtraction, division. So first we have to solve the division as per the BODMAS rule. Bracket off is not there, then division, and the rest of the expression will be written as it is. So 621 divided by 27. So here we get 23. Now this round bracket we have addition and subtraction. So we can solve this complete together. 333 minus 23 we can do first, or 377 divide minus 23 we can do. This is 310 plus 377. So we have used the concept of associative property here. I have taken this on this side. So we get 687. Now the value of the bracket, this bracket we are getting 687, positive 687. So we can directly write it like this. If the value in the bracket is negative, in that case we have to give the bracket. So we'll see it here, because here we are going to get the value negative. Now this is plus minus, this is positive, this is negative. So plus minus we do the subtraction. So 687 minus 44, so 643, and here the greater number is negative, so the value will be negative, and therefore we have to give the bracket here. Here the value of this bracket is positive, no need to give the bracket here, but here this bracket's value is negative, so we have to give this bracket because these two signs are going to change. So 3453 minus minus will become plus, so 643. So it is 4096. Next one. Now we have this curly bracket. These round brackets are just for sign. Then this is one round bracket, so we will solve this first. 49 divided by minus 7. This is division sign, so minus sign के साथ उसको change नहीं करना है. Minus, this minus minus can become plus, so this we can do minus minus becomes plus 15 plus 4 into, here this bracket's value minus 7 plus 3. Minus plus is minus, 7 minus 3 is 4, greater number is negative. So here also the value is negative, therefore we have given the bracket. Then this bracket, this is division, this is addition, so we will solve the division first. 49 divided by 7 is 7, minus plus is minus. So minus 7 plus 15 plus 4 into minus 4. Then this bracket in a addition will do minus plus is minus, so 15 minus 7 is 8, and greater number is positive, plus this operation also we can do here, but if you want you can write it like this, because here addition and multiplication, so we are going to solve this here. 8 plus 4 into 4 is 16, minus plus is minus, so value is minus 16. Now minus plus will become minus. This is plus, this is minus, so minus plus we do the subtraction. 16 minus 8 is 8, greater number is negative, so the value will be minus 8. The next one, 7 into curly bracket minus 50 divided by round bracket 10 minus 10 minus 5. So this round bracket we have to solve first. 7 into the rest of the expression will be written as it is. round bracket we are solving, so we can do 10 minus 10 first, which is 0, and then 0 minus 5. So 10 minus 10, 0 minus 5. Then this will solve minus 150 divided by 0 minus 5 is minus 5. So the value of this bracket is minus, therefore bracket I have given there. Now we are going to solve this curve bracket. Minus 150 divided by 5 means 150 divided by 5 is 30. Minus minus is plus. Then 7 into 30 is 210. The next one is for practice, D1. Next sum. Verify that x divided by, in the bracket, y plus z is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. This is distributive property which is not applicable for division, so we have to verify that it is not equal. And the values are given here. So we'll take the LHS and RHS. This is our LHS, this is RHS. Putting the values given here, x is 12, y is minus 4, and z is 2. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 is minus plus is minus, so 4 minus 2 is 2, greater number is negative, so minus 2. 12 divided by minus 2 is minus 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6, minus plus is minus. Then on the RHS, x is 12 divided by y is minus 4 plus x is 12 divided by z is 2. Solving these two brackets, 12 divided by minus 4 is 12 divided by 4 is 3, minus plus is minus. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Minus 3 plus 6 is minus plus will be minus. 6 minus 3 is 3, greater number is positive. Here we have got minus 6, here we are getting minus 3. Therefore, hence verified. And therefore, we have seen that the distributive property is not applicable for division. The next word problem. A cement company earns profit of rupees 6 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 4 per bag of grey cement sold. The company sells 2000 bags of white cement and 4000 bags of grey cement in a particular month. What is its net profit or loss? First, the given statements. The cement company earns profit on bag of white cement rupees 6 per bag and loss of grey cement rupees 4 per bag. In a month, the company has sold white cement bags 2000 bags were sold in a month and grey cement bags 4,000 bags were sold. So on the white cement, the company is earning 6 rupees profit, and on grey cement suffering a loss of 4 per bag. So if we find out the profit first, profit equals to 2000 into 6, that is 12,000 rupees profit, and loss 4,000 into 4, that is 16,000 loss. So the loss is greater than the profit, therefore actual loss is there, and therefore the actual loss is equals to 16,000 minus 12,000 equals to 4,000 rupees loss. Therefore, final statement, company has suffered a loss of rupees 4,000.